A huge disclaimer: don't let this BTC move fool you, and that's what we are going to discuss in this video. So make sure to watch the video from the start till the end to know exactly where is Bitcoin going, guys. So as you see, guys, that the daily candle here, it finished and the Bitcoin gave us here a pin bar, like how us we tell you in yesterday video. If you remember what us we told you, we came here to that place here exactly, and we told you, look at it here, candle or a inverted pin bar or a inverted hammer, it happened here, and we told you we need another confirmation here next to it, like another pin bar to happen for market to reverse. Because if you're looking with me, let me zoom it a little bit, look with me here, you see what happened here, you see it, where I draw that square is the same thing happened here, guys. An inverted pin bar, then another pin bar indicating the market is going to reverse upward, yes or no? Same thing happened there, look at it. By the way, guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 like, and know you can do it, so please smash the like button, write down a comment, tell us your thought about Bitcoin, what you thinking. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord, where we give long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also yesterday we entered a short, it's hitting the first and the second take profit. Today we enter a long, it's very close to hit the first take profit, but me, I tell the people they follow me to take some of the profit manually and to move stop loss to the entry point. So if you want this type of signals, you can join our VIP Discord or Telegram if you want to pay with cryptocurrency. The link is down in description of that video and in the first comment. That of course if you are interested. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, now there is one of two. Bitcoin from here is going to give us the same like how it done here, exactly like how it done here. Is going to move up or till that 74k here. Or second scenario, the Bitcoin going to give us here a price action indicating the market is going to reverse like how it happened here exactly if you see it here, yes or no? Now there is a correction going above to where maybe to that level here, that last high, or maybe it's going to break it, also we don't know till where. Why me are thinking there is a correction coming upward? I'm going to show you why, guys. If you're looking with me here, that pin bar, where it happened when the Bitcoin touched for us the 150 moving average. It gave us here that pin bar. We are in a very strong level like how it happened here exactly in that zone here. Then the Bitcoin move upwards. Same thing now is going to do. Bitcoin, it's need to give us here a price action telling us the market is going to reverse down. If it doesn't give it to us, another scenario, it might even here the Bitcoin to give you here a big head and shoulder, guys, like that, and it's going to come and to break for you the neckline which is here. Even that one is possible. I think picture is very clear, guys. Now it's going to see Bitcoin sentiment plus Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. So let's go in there to see it together. Here we are in the Bitcoin sentiment, guys. Here it happens something very important. The sentiment of the market, all the people are bearish, guys. Look at it. We are very close to 60% of the traders are in exchanges are bearish. That's why also we're telling you to join our VIP Discord, because even us, we still bearish a little bit, not that much, because we don't think the Bitcoin is going to fall down that much down. So if you want, you can join us. Now here, if we can try to calculate in the bearish 39%, very bearish 19%, is it 58%, guys? 58% here are bearish. Gold is very close to 60%. If we came here to those ones, they are bullish, very bullish 9%, and bullish 16%. 16 plus 9 is at 25%. 25% versus 58%, you know, is winning here, and you need to be with the winning side, guys. For Bitcoin, it's still bearish, but also we're still waiting a price action in the chart telling us the market is going to fall down, and also we're going to catch it from there. Now let's go into see Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow to know who buy, who sell. So let's go in there to see it, guys. Here we are, guys, here in the Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. And yesterday we don't got all the data, but today there is the data. Our friend Grayscale, they sold 397 Bitcoin IBIT, they buy 1k Bitcoin. If BTC, they buy 21 Bitcoin. And ARK Investment, they bought 50 Bitcoin. The total Bitcoin being bought yesterday, is it plus 675 Bitcoin being bought? That's a huge number, guys. Today, who sell is our friend as every day. Grayscale, they selling every day, but the rest we don't got all the data for them. So here is only the number of that Grayscale being sold. We need to wait till tomorrow to see the real data. I think picture is very clear here. Now let's go into see the coming news of today, guys, because today it's coming very important news. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, that the coming news of today. As you see it, that the news we got today is a very important day. Today we got the core PCI, guys, is going to come at 12:30. That the real inflation data the Fed follow, and as you see it here, it show is going to fall down to 2.5%. That's very good. That man, Fed rate cut, it's coming. We are too close to it. So you need to be careful, guys, what's going to happen to the market with the Fed cut happening. Over here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day here. Look at it, what's happened here. Dow Jones, SP. Dow Jones actually it's closed the day green. The SP closed red. The Nasdaq closed red. So also we are very close to the bottom here. As you see it, even here, the VIX, Carnes and the Fair 18.46. We are very close to 20, guys, because of that PCI data which is coming today. So be ready. We don't know what's going to happen. Either the market going to dump hard or it just a normal correction. So you need to be careful, guys. You need to be careful what's going to happen here. The time picture is very clear, guys. Now we're going to see the Bitcoin what it's doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Based on all the fundamental we show you now, there is a dump coming, and that's what I told you. You need to be careful. We don't know when it's going to happen. Either Bitcoin is going to follow stock market or no, but the fair and currency is too high. Today it's coming, the PCI data, so you need to be careful. Here in 12 hours, the Bitcoin is touch for us that 100 and the 200 moving average here, and it show like it's going to reject upward, like how it happened here. If you remember it here, same thing now the Bitcoin try to do here. Let's see if it's going to push above from here or that one here, just a correction like that. Then the Bitcoin going to give us here a head and shoulder like that, guys. Even that one it's possible. Then it's going to break for us the neckline down here, and it's going to fall down again. So the levels, they stay the same. We don't change nothing. We still waiting. The level we got is it that one here. If we breaking, of course, that 200 moving average, next level is it here at 61,725. Another level here at 57,400. So those ones the levels if the Bitcoin breaking for us the neckline of that head and shoulder there. But of course, if the Bitcoin fall down again, but the sentiment, fundamental, everything still telling us all the traders or all the investors are bearish. But now also we still waiting a price action, and we got here a smaller price action now, like a smaller cup and handle. But if it happen here a head and shoulder is going to be more accurate. So you need to be careful, guys, what's going to happen. Now let's go into see the Ethereum was doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Ethereum, you remember what us we been saying? People, they been with us and they been watching just our videos. We told you to enter from here. When that ETF being approved, we told you to enter by the break of that uptrend here. Exactly here. Look how much will W cash. Now here in that level here, I just give the people, they follow me, a signal to buy from that zone here, because also we don't care. We buying for long term. We don't care about short term. We just buying from that level here because our view, maybe the Ethereum is going to take off from that level. But the first scenario, second scenario, we don't got any price action here to buy if you are someone who use a leverage. Another thing you can make here is it that one here, you see it here, that uptrend here, and here in the top you make it like that. So you got here like a smaller wage here. So for you to enter along, if you are someone who uses leverage, you need to wait till it came above here to break for you to enter more long. For the short, if the Ethereum break down here, you can enter more short, but at this level here, I will not enter a short now, because now we are in the bottom of the market. It's too dangerous to enter short. Short it's been here from the top. So now as we still waiting, maybe the Ethereum going to fall down again till it will touching down here. Even that one it's possible, guys. So everything's still possible those days. Now let's see our indicator we're saying here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, that we also buy today, because that one here it touched the oversold area, and also we buying for long term without leverage, without nothing, just spot. That way also we buying based on an indicator, because even if it's wrong, it fall down more. Fair enough. Also we are going to buy again, because if you remember, people they've been with me, we buy from here, we buy from here, we buy from here, we buy from here, and even today we buy from here. And there is a money management way to use in your account to buy like that. If you want it, you can join us in our VIP Discord. There we're giving all those things, of course, if you are interested. Now here, what should you do? Should you buy if you are using leverage? If you are using leverage, not it, my friend. You wait in that downtrend here to get broke for you to buy again, or you wait in the market to give you here a divergence plus a price action here in the chart telling you the market is going to reverse. I think picture is very clear. Now let's go in to see it. Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here same thing, nothing was changed. Me I show you here, you got here like a megaphone here like that, and you find it in the thumbnail of the video. It doesn't get broke down here for you to enter a short. Another thing here, and that one it's possible, guys, if the Bitcoin give you here like that in that level where we are, the Bitcoin to fall down to give you here a head and shoulder like that, and it's breaking for you here, that indicating one thing, guys, the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that. For the long, there is nothing now telling you need to buy. You need to remember that very well, guys. If the Bitcoin do like that, you need to enter a short. Remember that, because that correction will happen here. It's just a smaller correction. Unless if the Bitcoin came back above till here and breaking, it's going to give you here like a small double bottom like that. That's another story. Maybe the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. So now I'll show you for the short and I'll show you for the long, and you need to wait till the right time what's going to happen here. You remember what also we said here in those levels like that, we came with will like that, we told you got here a wage like that. You see that the wage also we show you before, and the Bitcoin fall down, touch that uptrend here. So when that uptrend is very stronger, guys, you see it how many times it's being touched. Look at it, that the first, that the second, that the third, and here we touch it the 4th time. Yes or no? So now if the Bitcoin came back and breaking above here, you need to enter a long, guys. Remember those things very well. Everything is too clear. Now let's see our indicator. We're saying here in the Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, guys, it entered down here to the place where is the bears they controlling, but there is no power to keep it down. Another thing we got here, the divergence downtrend here. Even though one, you need to be careful about it. If the Bitcoin going to touch it here, and after it's going to dump, that the first scenario. Second scenario, if the Bitcoin came back and break it above, that means also we still going above, and all that correction we saw in here is just a normal correction. Then also we're going to see the Bitcoin going above more than that. So you need to be careful even about that one, guys. Till now, us now we enter in a place where is the bulls they controlling. So official us now we are again in a bull market. There is nothing telling you the bull market is changed. So you need to be careful. If you want exactly when us we enter, where we put in stop loss, where we put in take profit, I told you what to do to join our VIP Discord, where we're giving all those type of signals, guys. Link is it down in description of that video and in the first comment. Of course, if you are interested. Now let's go in to see it. Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in 30 minutes, people they been with me, they remember where else we enter. We enter from here exactly till down here. We make very nice profit. Today what happened here? Market gave us here like a small like a handle here exactly in that level here. In that candle it's break it. The first take profit of us. Also we are very close to it now. Very close. The first take profit to being hit it. Another thing, look at it here. I just been discussing that with some of the followers. They follow me. Is it that one here? You see the downtrend how I draw it from the tail of the candle and that one here. Now you are in it again. If that one here getting broke here, that man more long like that. If we breaking here in that zone here, you need to enter more long. That only for the long. For the short, what we got? For the short, you can come and do like that. You see that uptrend how I draw it from that one here and that one here, and you waiting if the market breaking down here, you can enter a short. That how us we trade, because last time when we be in here, that one here I've been do it for scalping me is getting broke here. We enter a long, not only for scalping but for midterm. We've been waiting that price action here. So same thing now. Also we waiting what's going to happen here. If the Bitcoin breaking here, exactly here, we're going to enter more long. If the Bitcoin give us here a price action, we're going to enter a short. So also we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying here in the Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, as you see, it's entered here to the place or overbought area. Should we enter a short now? There is nothing, guys. Here down, that's why also we enter that long we used to have here. A divergence like that, we've been waiting for the price action. Price action confirm for us, we enter a long. Now here in that level where we are, there is no price action. So also we still waiting till we got a clear price action. Because over here is it for short term, and the Bitcoin when it falling down, it doesn't fall down very sharp. If you've been in the market for some time, Bitcoin it fall down by waves, guys, like that. So it might that one just a wave, then after we're going to see it falling down again. So you need to be careful again, my friend. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.